Hello, my brothers and sisters. It's Victor Isibor. I want to ask you some questions. Okay? Why are you poor? Don't answer. I already know why you are poor. You see that your brother that lives in the United States of America. Yes, he's the one to blame. It's his fault. Because if he was helping you, you would have been rich by now. So don't worry yourself. Go and sleep. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Why didn't you go to school? Why are you not educated? It's not your fault. It's your parents' fault. Because they did not train you at school. So don't worry yourself. There's nothing you can do. It's your parents' fault. It's a very, very bad thing. Why did your last business fail? No, it is the fault of your mentor, your upline. Yes, they did not teach you very well. That was why you failed. Okay? So don't worry yourself. Go and sleep. You had a job interview scheduled for 9 a.m. You slept off and you woke up by 12 o'clock midday. It's not your fault. It is the fault of your bed that is too soft. Yes, had it been the bed was very strong, you would have been able to wake up on time. Yes, that's the thing. So generally, why are you not successful in life? It is the fault of your president and the government. Because if they had good policies in place, you would have become a very successful person. Why are you still single? My brother, why are you still single? It is the fault of the women. They have refused to see the good qualities in you. Don't worry. Just relax your mind. Just relax your mind. Yes, that's the thing. In this video, I am going to tell you one single thing that you need to become unfortunate in life. Just one thing. To become unfortunate in life is the easiest thing ever. Blame everybody for every situation you find yourself in. It is the default human settings to want to push blames to other people. Yes, your president and the government of your country is the reason you have not succeeded. That statement is only valid if there is no successful person in your country. Then I will take it as valid. I will only take that statement as valid if there is no single successful person in your country. The reason you are not educated? Oh, it's because of your parents. They refuse to train you. That statement is only valid if there is nobody who comes from a family of illiterates but took it upon himself or herself to do menial jobs to sponsor their education and get that degree. Trust me, I know quite a number of people who did that, who succeeded at all odds. The person that said that when there is a will, there is a way, the person is not raving mad. The person knows exactly what they are saying. Human beings will do something or refuse to do something. When the consequences come to them, they will want to shift it to other people. It makes some people feel good. Yes, it makes them relax. It makes them to forgive themselves. It makes them to have a feeling of El Dorado. Yes. And you know what that relaxation does? When they now shift the blame, they now relax. Then more poverty, more unfortunate things and misfortune will now come to them in 100 folds. My brothers and sisters, nobody is coming to save you. In life, it's either you make success or you make excuses. Okay? So if your mates are making money and you are making excuses and you are shifting blames, Mr. Distributor, you are distributing blames to people, apportioning blames to people. That is what they call projection. You have individual blames and you have system blames. Which kind of blamer are you? Are you an individual blamer? Your children cannot go to school because your siblings are not supportive. Yes, because your father is not Dangote. Okay? Because your mother is not praying well for you. Because your wife is not supportive. Because your landlord is an angry man. Anybody that lives in that compound does not succeed. Yes, it is because of that compound that I lived. That is why I could not progress in my career. Yes, that compound is fetish. Go and ask questions now about other people that have lived in that compound. Oh, I'm not successful. It's because, do you know the village I'm from? My village people find it difficult to succeed. Yes, it's my village people. People, they blame everybody except the man and the woman in the mirror. Do you want to know the reason, the person behind all your misfortune? Do you know the person that is responsible for you not progressing in business and in career? Go and look in the mirror. That person you see there, yes, is the person responsible. Now, I'm not saying there are no external factors that can mitigate against your success. But you see, when there is a will, there is a way. A determined man or woman, nothing can stop them. Nothing can stop them. And when you keep making excuses and blaming and complaining, you remain in one spot. You are never going to be successful. The devil is very happy to see you shifting blames. Yes, shift the blame to the wrong direction so that your problem will persist. Blame other people so that you remain unsuccessful. It will make you feel good temporarily when you can blame other people. Why are you not fortunate? Is it not God? He's not answering my prayers now. That is why. That's why I just relax. Just relax myself. Everything is in God's hands. Sleep in your house under that duvet. The weather is cold. Don't go outside and hustle. In the evening, when your children cannot eat, tell them it is the fault of God. Why did God make the weather cold today? God made the weather cold so that I will not be motivated to leave the house to go and hustle. That means that by extension, it is his fault that my children are hungry now. You don't understand? Okay, imagine now, why did God allow me come from a poor family? If it was his plan for me to make money. Did I select the family that I came from? I did not select the family that I came from. So let me just relax and drink kai kai and forget my troubles. My brothers and sisters, whether you like it or not, the first person to blame in any unfortunate situation you found yourself is you first of all. Okay? Because you are the principal actor in the movie of your life. You are the sole director and producer first of all. After you have blamed yourself, you now look around external factors that assisted you. Mark my words, the external factor that did what assisted you in contributing into that unfortunate situation. I would have made it more if I had a very good girlfriend in my love life. I would have progressed more. Who asked that girl out? Who got attracted to her body without thinking about her personality? Who? You, right? Okay, now I understand. Your career that did not go well. Oh, it's because my boss is from another tribe. Other people that are in that tribe, they are making it very well. My brothers and sisters, did you put in the work to convince people? Convince the whole world? There are situations where when people witch hunt you, you stand out so much so that they don't have a choice but to give you your flowers. They would give you your flowers. I have seen people succeed against all odds because they remained consistent, they remained persistent, and they showed absolute class. I am not about to ruin my business empire, all in the name of tribalism. I'll put my brother there. I will put my townsman there that will run down my business. I don't have a choice. I have to put in people that can get the work done. Okay? So you cannot just be blaming your president, blaming your brother, blaming your neighbor, blaming this, blaming that. Omo, look in the mirror. Look in the mirror and call your name, Victor Isibor. How could I have made this better? Oh, look at where I went wrong. Do you know that some people even blame others for not learning? I've seen something like that. My teacher, I'm not brilliant because my teacher does not teach me well. Okay, your lecturer and teacher does not teach you well. And at the same time, the books relating to your curriculum, those your teachers, those your mentors, they hid it from you. You don't have access to it. You cannot go and read it. Okay? Since your teacher refused to teach you, you too, you went home, used your book as pillow to sleep, expecting miracle on examination day. Well done. I greet you. Mr. Blamer, Madam Blamer, I hail you, I hail very much. See, share this video. If you don't share this video, there's a consequence. Somebody will come and blame you for not seeing this video and for not succeeding. Yes, they will say, well, it is the fault of you. Yes, I blame you for not sharing Victor Isibor's video with me. Because if you had shared it with me, I would have realized that I'm not supposed to blame any other person but myself. But since you did not show me the video that tells me to blame myself, I will blame you. Share this video. Let Mr. and Mrs. Blamer and Complainer, let them see it so that they can make it in life. Thank you very much. I deserve an award for making this video because the singular reason why people don't succeed, I have exposed it. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. I am Victor Isibor. Bye-bye.